Hello children, welcome to 5th standard English. Now we are going to see about term 3 unit 1 prose 5 detectives.
In this lesson, Arul, Amuda, Srijit, Jessie and Fatima were friends. They were interested in finding out crimes and criminals. Crimes means illegal act. Criminal means offender. They organized a group called 5D. Organize means arrange. It consisted the 5 friends who worked as the 5 detectives. In this paragraph, how many of them friends?
5 friends.
Who are they?
Arul, Amuda, Srijit, Jessie and Fatima.
What is the abbreviation of 5D?
5 detectives.
They went to Ooty. Srijit's dog Bablo was with them. Amuda said that they should go to the town fair. Fair means market. They could visit the waxworks studio. What is the meaning of waxworks? Waxworks means studio with statues made of wax. Wax means melugu. On their way back, they saw Inspector Velayudham. He seemed to be very busy. Seemed means appeared. Where did the 5D go?
Ooty.
What was the name of Srijit's dog?
Bablo.
Who was Velayudham?
He was an inspector.
On Monday, Jessie overheard her father on the phone. What is the meaning of overheard? Overheard means to hear without the speaker's knowledge. About a robbery expected to take place at the museum. What is the meaning of robbery? Attempt by robbers too. What is the meaning of expect? Expect means regarded as likely. Jessie conveyed this message to her friends. Convey means transfer to someone. Message means news. At once, they decided to take up the case and solve it. In the above paragraph, who conveyed message to her friends?
Jessie.
They decided to go to the city. Srijit disguised himself as an old man he had seen already. Disguise means change one's appearance in order to look different. He sat on the bench. Now a man came on cycle. He mistook Srijit for the old man. He handed over a small packet of chocolates to Srijit and went away. Now I ask the question, who disguised as old man?
Srijit.
What did the old man hand over to Srijit?
A small packet of chocolate.
Now Srijit saw the real old man. He tried to move away, but he saw the inspector. Now their dog Bablo began to bark at the inspector and it annoyed him. What is the meaning of annoy? Annoy means disturb. Using this confusion, what is the meaning of confusion? Uncertainty. Srijit slipped away from that place. The inspector took the old man to the police station. Now I ask the question, to whom did Srijit see?
Old man.
Who slipped away from that place?
Srijit.
The 5D gathered in Jessie's carriage. Gather means collect. Carriage means a place for parking car. And open the pocket. There was a small sheet with a list of grocery items. What is the meaning of sheet? A small piece of paper. Grocery items means things needed for cooking. It seemed to have some code. See means appear. Jessie brought her magic pen and flashed its light on the paper. What is the meaning of magic pen? A pen with strange qualities. Flashed means let the light fall on. The message read, tell number 3, Waxworks, Tuesday 9 pm, number 5. Where did the 5D gather?
Jessie's carriage.
What was in the pocket?
Small chit.
What was in the cheat?
Tell number 3, Waxwork, Tuesday 9 pm, number 5.
They understood that the gang was going to meet on Tuesday. Srijit had to hand over the cheat to the inspector. The inspector was glad to get it. What is the meaning of glad? Glad means happy. But he warned Srijit to stay away from the case. That evening, the 5 friends visited the waxworks. While coming out, Srijit unlocked one of the windows in the room. On Tuesday night, the inspector arrested 3 robbers and recovered a necklace from them. The friends were upset to hear this. Now Jessie overheard and realized that the real necklace was somewhere else. How many of the robbers arrested by the inspector?
3.
The 5D started looking for the real necklace. Real means original. They watched the old man once again. The old man was drawing something on the ground with his stick. Inspector Velayudham was watching him at a distance. When the old man left the place, the 5D went to the place and saw that the old man had drawn waxworks on the ground. What did the old man draw?
Waxworks.
At once, they realized that the real necklace was in the waxworks. What is the meaning of realize? Realize means understand. Amuda said that the necklace might be found among the jewels owned by the Princess Chachu. What is the meaning of princess? Daughter of a king. What is the meaning of Chachu? Figure of a man as animal in stone or metal. They went straight to the Princess Chachu. They saw the diamond necklace and took it. They handed over the necklace to a senior policeman and explained everything. The 5 friends were appreciated for their courage and dedication toward the city. What is the meaning of appreciated? Appreciated means prize. What is the meaning of courage? Courage means bravery. What is the meaning of dedication? Dedication means devotion. So, what is the moral of this story?
Be honest and bravery.
Thank you, children.